Welcome to the new session. Today we'll be taking up Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing. This is a very simple form of breathing and everyone can do it. Also, it brings balance to our system. So it's very important part of pranayama practices. Whenever you do any breathing practice, end it with Anulom Vilom. It will bring balance to your system, to your mind, to your whole composition. So before we start with alternate nostril breathing, we'll straighten our back, work on our posture a little, observe our breath, and then we'll move on to the breathing practice. You can sit on a block or on a cushion, or you can avoid it as you feel comfortable. So just keep your left hand on the mat and raise your right arm up, doing the lateral stretch, looking up. Feel the entire right side of your lungs and your body getting stretched. Come back to center, placing your right hand on the knee and looking towards back in the spinal twist. Coming to center, placing right hand on the mat, raising left arm up, stretching the left entire side of the body, lateral stretch, looking up. Slowly coming back to center, placing left hand on right knee, right hand behind you, spinal twist. Coming back to center. Let's do a round of neck rotation. Slowly and steadily rotate your neck, exhaling, bringing chin to chest. Then very slowly taking it towards back, bringing it towards side, right side, back to center. Now anti-clockwise. Please go slow and steady without any jerks. Coming back to center, roll your shoulders back. Normal breaths, 2 to 3 times. Observe your breath, the air entering your nostril, traveling all the way towards your lungs. And then air leaving your nostril. As you exhale, let's start with alternate nostril breathing. For that, bring your left hand in Gyan Mudra, joining your index finger and thumb, placing it on the left knee. Bring your right hand in Nasika Mudra, with your thumb, ring finger and little finger open, rest two closed. If you find this difficult, you can just do it with your index finger and thumb. So I'll be doing the Nasika Mudra. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale deeply from the left nostril. slow and steady without putting any pressure. Now close your left nostril with your index finger or your ring finger. Exhale from the right nostril. Slowly. Now we inhale back from the right nostril. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Close the left. Exhale from the right. So this is how we do alternate nostril breathing. But do take care that there is no sound while you inhale and exhale. If there is a sound, then it is a sign that you are doing it at a faster pace. So do it slowly without making any sound while inhaling and exhaling, making the practice very slow, steady, deep and meditative. So close your right nostril. We'll do around 10 rounds. So first, we'll go for first 5 rounds. We'll break it into 2 parts. Inhale from the left. Close left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from right. Close right. Exhale from left. Inhale from the nostril from which you have exhaled. Close it. Exhale from the other nostril. Continue with your rounds. So observe that we are inhaling from the one nostril and exhaling from the other, and then inhaling back from the same nostril from which we exhaled and exhaling from the other. This is how we do alternate nostril breathing. Once you are done with the 5 rounds, just relax, go for few normal breaths and observe the changes this breathing has brought. We'll be doing 5 more rounds of alternate nostril breathing, but this time with the count. So we'll count for 5 counts for inhalation, then 10 for exhalation. So 1:2 in inhalation and exhalation. So close your right nostril with thumb. Inhale from left, 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close the left. Exhale for 10 counts. You may count in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If 10 is longer, you may reduce the count. Never pressurize yourself, listen to your body. Now inhale from the same nostril from which you have exhaled for 5 counts. Exhale from the other and count while you exhale. Your exhalation will be longer, might not be the double of inhalation, but that is okay. So today, along with Anulom Vilom, we are breathing rhythm to our breathing. This is rhythmic breathing. rhythmic alternate breathing. So inhale from the same nostril from which you have exhaled for 5 counts. Exhale from the other nostril for 10 counts. Inhale for 5 counts. Close it. Exhale from the other nostril. Do it twice more at your own pace. Slow and steady. If you feel tired, you may just relax and do the normal breathing. Once you are done, relax. You may lie down in Savasana if you feel tired, or just normal breaths. Observe the changes this practice has brought. You may do alternate nostril breathing any time of the day. It brings a very good balance in our body. You may do it in the morning or in evening. It also soothes your mind, relaxes our cells. We can do it to relax ourselves. It soothes our mind to calm down. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. I'll meet with a new practice tomorrow.